Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So in the previous video we have completed the chapter set theory and I hope you have seen that video. If you have not seen yet, so please click on the I button that is on the top of your screen and watch that video. And in this video we'll discuss regarding a new chapter, relation from class 11 concept. So please watch this video from top to bottom. And one more thing, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it and don't forget to like and share. So without wasting our time, we'll start our today's class. Let's begin. Our today's topic is relation. So if we come to the practical life outside mathematics, and if I am asking you what is meant by relation in everyday context, the answer will be any connection or bond between any two person or anything else. So if I am giving you some examples in this video, I am teaching you as a teacher and you are watching this video as a student. So there is a student-teacher relationship between you all and me. For more example, if I am giving you that suppose Ram is father of Shyam. The word father is a relation between Ram and Shyam. So that same concept will apply in mathematics, that instead of Ram and Shyam we'll get some sets just like capital A, capital B, C, D and so on. And instead of student, teacher, father, we'll get some mathematical relations such as greater than equals to, less than equals to, or any mathematical equation or anything else. So if we draw any two sets, suppose this is A and this is B, and if we can establish any connection between these two sets, so this connection will be considered as a relation. So in mathematics a relation is basically denoted by capital R. So don't think complicated. Take A as Ram, B as Shyam, and these are as suppose father. So the word father is the relation between Ram and Shyam. So if I take any element, suppose X in the set capital A and Y in the set capital B, so I can say that X is related to Y by the relation R. So in notation we can write it as X R Y, that is X is related to Y by the relation R. And for negative sense, if X is not related to Y by that relation R, so we'll write X R bar Y, that is X is not related to Y by that relation R. Now before entering the definition of relation, we need to know the Cartesian product of two sets. So let A is equals to 1, 2 and B is equals to 3, 4 be any two sets. Then the Cartesian product of these two sets A and B will be denoted by A cross B, and it will be defined by A cross B is equals to 1, 3, 1, 4, then 2, 3 and then 2, 4. So similarly we can define B cross A. In that case we need to write the elements of B at first, that is 3, 1, 3, 2, then 4, 1 and 4, 2. That is, we need to multiply each of the elements of the first set with each of the elements of the second one. Now we need to know why this definition is called Cartesian product, because you can see that the results, the elements are in ordered pair, that is X, Y format, and these points will belong to the Cartesian coordinate system. So that's why this product is being called the Cartesian product. And in class 10 concept also you have done this for finding the sample space when two dice are thrown together. That is, you had written that points as 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 and so on up to 6, 6. That is total 36 points you had written that. So now it is clear from that example that A cross B and B cross A are not equal in general. Now the most important thing, when we are doing the Cartesian product of any two sets, we are defining the relation between these two sets also. Because if I am giving you an example that it will be clear to you, Suppose you are a student of Delhi public school and you have been sent by your parents to a new school, suppose Don Bosco. So at the first day in that school, it will not be too easy to sit with the existing students of that school. So you will try to make a distance with them. And day by day, whenever you will be close to them, then you will start sitting together, and in this way you will start making this ordered pair just like the elements of the set A cross B. So now whenever we are multiplying the elements of the set A with the elements of the set B, we can see the elements of the set A and the elements of the set B are sitting together and making the ordered pairs. Why? Because they are going to be related by some relation. So that's why the definition of relation says that a relation R is a subset of the Cartesian product of any two sets A cross B. So that means you can take A cross B as the collection of all possible relations between the sets A and the set B. And as we are talking about a single relation, so it will be a subset of A cross B. Now we need to know some parts of a relation. So if I draw a figure that suppose this is the set A, this is the set B, and I am taking any three elements X, Y and Z in A, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, these 5 elements in B. So if we assign X to 1, Y to 2 and Z to 3 by that relation, so the set A will be called the domain set of that relation, and B will be called the codomain set, and the set which will be consisted of the elements 1, 2, 3, that will be called the range set. So now I am giving the explanation, and we know domain means where we can dominate. For example, our house is our domain. So the relations domain will be its origin, that from where the relation will be made. So that's why A will be the domain. So domain is equals to A, and it will be the set X, Y, Z, and codomain will be the set B, and it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And there is one more thing, that is range or image set. And image set means only those elements we have to take which are participated in that relation process. So in that relation process, see, from the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 1, 2 and 3 are being participated in that process. So that set 1, 2 and 3 will be the range. For example, suppose Team India is going to play a cricket match abroad, and there are total 15 players who are going to play that cricket match. So not all the 15 players will play the match, only 11 players will play. So that's why only the set of those 11 players will be the range set, and the set of all the total 15 players, that is the total Indian team, will be the codomain set here. I think now it is clear to you what is the difference between codomain and range. So everyone, I am ending my today's class here, and we'll meet on our next class with a new video. So please stay tuned, and the situation outside is not so good, so please stay at home and stay safe. Goodbye, take care.